Hello there, my name is Brandon Dean, and today I'll be teaching you how to upload a video to your YouTube channel. So first you're going to want to sign in. I've already signed in here. And then you're going to want to click on My Channel. So what this will do is it will bring you here, and what you want to do is either it has this picture as says create a video or post, or also has upload. Depends on what you do. Upload will just take you to a page. For this, it will bring up the tab and say upload video or go live. You're going to want to upload a video. You're going to press upload video. Afterwards, you're going to want to press on select files. Your file manager will pop up right here, and you're going to want to find your video that you want to upload. You're going to be able to either drag it or just press on the file itself, double click it. There's also two other ways you can do it. You can import your own videos from Google Photos, or you could also live stream anything you would like. I feel that recording the videos earlier and then uploading them is a lot easier though, but it is up to you. And that is how you upload a video to YouTube. Recording a video on YouTube is a little bit harder because you can only do that on mobile. You can't unfortunately do it on YouTube, the browser from your computer. Alright, thank you for listening and have a nice day.